Hey there! Welcome to our quick and friendly tutorial on designing a basic template from scratch in Documint. This awesome document automation tool will help you simplify the process of generating documents with dynamic data. Before we dive in, it's super important to know the kind of data you'll be using. For this video, we'll focus on customer details, invoice numbers, dates, and a list of items, all connected through Airtable to create our tokens. Think of these tokens as dynamic placeholders that will make your template come alive. All right, let's hop into the template builder. On the left side, you'll notice the Add pane. It's packed with content and layout elements you can add to your document. In the center, we have a canvas where all your template elements will come together. And to the right, you'll find the Data pane where your schema and tokens hang out. Right next to that is the Content pane where you can check out the structure of the elements you've added. Let's get started by adding a title. How about invoice? Now we can really start building our template. Just drag and drop the elements you want into the canvas. Since we're creating an invoice, let's put together a nice header and a table for all the items. In the header, we'll add a logo and the customer's info. We should include the invoice number, invoice date, and due date right at the top. For the information part, let's add the company's name, phone, email, and address. Don't forget to do the same for the customer. To make that happen, we'll include some token placeholders to ensure that each document automatically pulls in the right data. Make sure the tokens are formatted nicely so they display as you want. Next, let's create a table for listing the items. Each row will include the item's description, quantity, and price. We can use edit logic and repeat our loop features to generate those rows dynamically based on how many items are listed. Since this info can change, let's use tokens that will loop through each row. Feel free to include any other important details that will enhance our template. Finally, don't forget to add the total amount using invoice total. A little styling goes a long way in making your document look professional and easy to read. Once you're done, just hit Preview to see how everything looks with real data. If you're curious about using the different elements or want to dive deeper into building tables, check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Have fun building your first template, and we can't wait to see what you create. See you soon.